pesce olio hitto bene, sembra il pesce maradene. Dice mica la fantasia, la visce lì, mi chiusa mia. Uè mamma, mi porti in mano da visce fritti baccalà. Now we're first in English. Lazy Mary, you better get up, she answered back, I am not able. Lazy Mary, you better get up, we need the sheets for the table.
What's going on, everybody? Zeekman here. I'm in Little Italy in Manhattan, New York, and I'm here with one of my great friends.
Further notice.
Out until further notice. Also named, aka Andrew. But we're here, we're gonna walk through the San Gennaro Italian Feast Festival here in New York, and we're gonna see what we find, what we can eat, and who we can meet. So let's do it.
So it should be a fun one. First time here. Actually, this is the first time I've ever seen an Italian festival like this.
Yeah.
So let's rock it out.
Yeah. All right, let's do this. So of course, you know, we start right off the bat with like, you know, Italian grill and Italian sausage and onions. Whole bunch of, look at these sausage.
What's on the menu? What do you think you're gonna
Well, I think eventually I'm gonna definitely have to get some sausage. Definitely have to get cannoli. Cannoli. And then I think I'm just gonna kind of wing it. See what looks good.
I mean, when we think about Italian cuisine, right, we think about the pasta,
yeah, and the sauce.
But to be honest, a lot of it's almost similar to, like, when you see like the sausage is kind of like a similar thing to like European in some sense, right?
Sure.
So I've never really, I don't think we're gonna run into any pasta. Or anything like that.
No.
Everything's gonna be what? A little bit of everything on the sticks, some meats and stuff.
Yeah. So, all right.
It looks really good.
These are Italian phone cases. And like you can get this year, I think what's different than a few years ago is you can get cocktails to go. You can carry your drinks around with you around the festival, which in the past you had to stay at the place.
Oh, so they opened that up now?
Yeah.
A little bit. That's pretty cool. I don't think anybody wants to be combined in a little square box. Now, do you think over the years it's changed? Because I'm also seeing now it's kind of a little bit multicultural now, with a lot of see a little bit of Chinese, Spanish.
Yeah. I think now
it's definitely changed a little bit.
Yeah, I think especially because, you know, now everyone's economical situation needs some help, you know, so we did see some Mexican booths, and there's obviously going to be some Chinese food, and there's a lot of like jewelry and things going on here also.
Yeah, I think over the time, right? People are not always going to be. I don't think there's only one area, you know, of just Italians now.
Yeah.
A lot of people like, because if you think about it, this area is technically in Chinatown, right?
Yeah, technically. Some more sausage, corn dogs, mozzarella sticks, hot dogs. Looks like Greek. Yeah.
She's going to tell you where all the festivals are.
This is not nice, right?
So we have roasted corn.
How much is corn?
It's buy one.
Corn is $4 with nothing on it. You have to put salt, pepper, chili is $5. Without, with nothing, $4. Y'all get change yet?
So this is Historic Spring Lounge. Great craft beer bar. One of the best craft beer bars in the city.
Have you tried this place before?
I haven't actually.
But it's a famous place.
Yeah, so it's a sister. It's a sister bar to the Blind Tiger, which is where I do go all the time. So the Spring Lounge and Blind Tiger, can't go wrong with their
It's like
craft
same
beer.
ownership?
Yeah. See, Andrew, this is what I'm talking about.
It's sugar.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Good? Thank you very much. Anybody next? Cannoli, Kroger.
You getting the cannoli this time?
Look at these. Amazing.
Little rainbow cookie donuts.
Whoa.
And all the cronuts are about a half pound each.
Half a pound each?
About, yeah, more or less.
Wow.
Yeah, you know regular lobster.
Yeah. So this is a lobster tail, Bavarian cream, but that's Nutella.
What's the
It's a
best
regular
seller?
lobster tail.
They all sell. I run out every single day because nobody else has it.
Zeppoles, fried Oreos. Got some games going on.
Is it good?
Oh. Clam house. Got baked clams, fried calamari, raw clams.
We're back in Columbia, South Carolina, 14-0 Georgia.
Every once in a while.
You want me to win you a teddy bear?
Oh, that was supposed to be off camera.
The bar that turns. I've only been able to make it like for 2
So I see this at a lot of places. You know, you can get these souvenir glasses with these drinks and unlimited refills. That's something new. I haven't seen anyone do unlimited
Oh,
refills.
those like the ones you get at like those college games.
Yeah.
I feel like a bombs.
Yeah, look at that. Yeah. Chocolate covered pretzels. What do you think of that, Andrew?
I like, I mean, I love chocolate. The pretzel, I don't know, it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
I just hope it's not a movie theater one where it's gonna crack my teeth.
Yeah, right.
So what, look at that. What's that?
Pineapple?
Is that pineapple?
Pineapple.
There you go, you got 2 for 1.
Yeah. From the looks of it, we were in like a lot more jewelry, craft-oriented area. But the more I look forward, it looks like it's going to be a lot more food ahead.
Yeah, it does.
So we'll see what we
I
got.
hope it's more Italian.
Yeah, we need the Italian.
mia.
The Italian. Oh, we got some more pastries.
Oh, we got competition.
We do? Oh yeah.
Yeah, hold that. We have
Yeah. Oh, and some gelato.
Another guy down there is like been there for 40 years. I would get patella or something. Lobster tail, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So what is it here? That price not right.
You're a Marine? My grandfather.
Oh, the smell of this is amazing.
You're a Marine too? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I'm all right.
Next. Good. Come on.
Oh, whoa! Look who it is.
I thought you had you committed to something.
No, not yet. Ooh, it's like a empanada. It looks like Italian style. It looks like a different type of dough.
Yeah. Oh, it is empanada. But I mean, you just didn't eat Colombia.
Yeah.
Now you're back to it's going. You're back in.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing?
So if you look at this dough, it looks more like a pizza dough rather than like where you're in Colombia and they're like corn empanadas.
They do mostly all of it's kind of corn stuff, right?
Yeah.
I noticed like their tortillas is corn based.
Yeah. So this looks more like a white flour.
It actually looks pretty good.
It does look great. Yeah.
Sometimes the corn though really like stuffs you up really fast.
Yeah.
What do you think?
I don't know, but that looks amazing. I love these peppers over here.
What is this? Oh,
Just like long hop peppers. So this is Cafe Roma, a very, very historic coffee shop here in Little Italy.
Was it all Italian pastry?
Yeah, Italian pastries, cappuccino, but they're supposedly the original coffee shop.
Yeah. I do like how I do feel like this.
Maybe go back one way.
Yeah, this is getting into like the true part of Little Italy.
Where like the other, obviously like the other parts, like the early West Village was like all mostly the brownstones.
Right, exactly, yeah.
Sorry.
So, I mean, squid, calamar. Mulberry bar.
It almost seems like in the other videos that I see.
Finally, pizza.
I know.
We haven't seen pizza the whole time, you know? Pepperoni.
Pasta.
Oh, there's some pasta. Oh, yes.
There was special.
More sausage. A lot of sausage. Andrew, how do you feel about the number of sausage places here?
I think it's a little over. I think it's a little oversensitive.
Yeah.
Sunday couldn't shut down. On State Street, that great street, I just want to say.
Guys, out until further notice, Andrew, myself, Zeekman.
Thanks for having me, Zeke. Invited me. I know it didn't go as planned. We were supposed to do something totally different today.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go what, Statue of Liberty and stuff.
Yeah, we had a whole other plan to meet up with some other YouTubers. Go to Statue of Liberty. We probably would have ended up here.
Yeah.
But
Definitely.
look for that in the near future. And but it was great to come down, and Andrew made the trip down from Boston, and I was coming down, so we finally got to meet up and make this video here for you in Little Italy. And we're gonna be eating some stuff too. So this is gonna be posted on Zeekman Travels. We'll be eating some stuff. Make sure you check out those videos on Zeekman Eats.
And if you see my video, it's all kind of messed up. I had some technical problems today. But I'm going to work on my own stuff. So yeah, it's a pleasure, Zeke, and hope we can do it more times.
Yeah.
You know, there's a lot of New York to explore. So
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So anyway, thanks a lot for watching, and here in Little Italy.
thank you. Peace.
Yeah.